guys, and welcome to DIY Hair School. And on today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a cute, fast, easy, sleek bun that you can throw your hair up in when it is greasy and you don't want to or don't have time to wash your hair, but you still want to look cute. The only things that you're going to need for this video is a small claw clip. You can use a bigger one if you have thicker hair, but if you have fine and thinner hair like I do, a smaller clip, any shape will do. A bigger clip is going to be harder to work with. And some hair wax. This is a wax stick for putting down baby hairs. You can also just use hairspray or gel, anything you like, but I do find these little wax sticks really easy to work with for fine hair. So I started with a center part. I've already got my hair parted down the center. You can also just go straight back and do no part at all, but for this one today I want to do a center part, and then I'm just going to take my brush and I'm going to smooth everything back. And because my hair is oily, my hair is going to smooth out really nicely for me. It actually works a lot better on dirty hair days, something like this, than if my hair was clean. My baby hairs would be all over the place. So I usually save hairstyles like this for dirty hair days like this. Now, if you're not used to wearing your hair slicked, then this can be challenging to get used to, but once you get used to it, it is one of my favorite things to do for when my hair needs to be washed. So I now have my hair in a low ponytail. I'm going to keep it in my hand, and I'm just going to twist all the way down the ponytail and then twist it around itself into a bun. And now wherever that tail lands, you're going to take your claw clip and you're going to clip. Now you want to make sure that you get hair from the bun, from the base, and you pinch the tail in between. As long as you got hair from the base, from the bun, and you tucked that tail in between, that's not going to go anywhere. It's great because it is damage-free, not having to use any hair ties. It's low tension, so you're not likely to get any breakage happening. You can just use a little bit of the hair wax to keep all those little guys in place. You could top it off with some hairspray if your hair is unlikely to stay in place. Mine's usually pretty cooperative on these days, but there we go. Quick and easy, sleek bun for dirty hair days. I hope that helps. I hope this gives you an idea of some way that you can wear your hair when it is not freshly washed, especially if you are trying to learn to not wash your hair every day, because that can be a challenge when you have fine, thin hair. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's any content that you would like to see. And don't forget to subscribe, because I post content every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and you don't want to miss that. Or check me out on Instagram and TikTok, where I do post every single day. Bye, guys.